As we welcome our guests into our homes, the entryway is often the first impression they receive. But what if your entryway is tiny? Don't worry about it. We have got you covered. With a little creativity and some clever design tricks, you can turn even the smallest of space into a stunning entrance that sets the tone for the rest of your home. This tiny entryway boasts an elegant design that combines wall moldings and mirror pattern to create a sophisticated and a spacious feel. The wall moldings add a touch of luxury, while the mirror patterns create the illusion of a larger space, making it perfect for small entryways. This design is perfect for homeowners who want to make a big impact into a small space. The wall molding and mirror pattern work together to create a sense of grandeur, making your tiny entryway feel more spacious and luxurious. Don't let a tiny entryway hold you back from creating a stunning first impression. With this elegant design, you can elevate your entryway to new heights and create a beautiful, functional space that welcomes guests into your home. Elegant wall moldings for a luxurious feel. Mirror pattern creates the illusion of a larger space, perfect for small entryways. Create a sophisticated modern design. Create a grand entrance even in the smallest of spaces. Reflects light and images to enhance the sense of space. Adds a touch of glamour and sophistication to the entryways. To take this decision to the next level, consider adding some additional elements such as a statement light fixture to add some drama and flair, a console table or shelves to provide a convenient spot for keys, mails, and other important things. A few well-placed plants or flowers to add a touch of natural beauty. A bold contrasting color scheme to create a striking visual impact. As we welcome our guests into our homes, the entryway is often the first impression they receive. It's the space where we greet our loved ones, hang our coats, and transition from the outside world to the comfort of our hometown or our own homes. But what if your entryway is tiny? Don't worry, we have got you covered in this manner. With a little creativity and some clever design tricks, you can turn even the smallest of space into a stunning entrance that sets the tone for the rest of your home. This tiny entryway boasts an elegant design that combines wall moldings, mirror, specialty paint, metal work, artwork, or some luxurious lighting. You can play all around with these manners, these elements, with these materials. Even you can play in wall graphics. You can play in altogether mirror work. You can play in veneer paneling as well. A wooden rich feel creates the most luxurious thing in your entryway. But the one point is, you should always keep in your mind as your entryway is tiny. So we will have to keep in mind this thing in all times and need to reflect one wall into another so that it creates an illusion. It's not a tiny space, it's the space where you can create everything, especially the combination of wall molding and mirror pattern to create a sophisticated, spacious and more luxurious feel. The wall moldings add a touch of luxury with its crisp lines and classic profile. The mirror pattern creates an illusion of a larger space, reflecting lights and images to make the area feel more expansive and luxurious. The result is a harmonious blend of style and functionality, perfect for small and tiny entryways. Elegant wall moldings for a luxurious feel. Mirror pattern create the illusion of a larger space, perfect for small and tiny entryways. Sophisticated modern design create a grand entrance even in the small spaces. I hope you enjoyed the concept, you really liked the concept. If you liked any concept, any design, then please save that for future and use that in your interior. Use that in your small and tiny entryways and create a big illusion and make it luxurious. If you like the video, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.